Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to recover or restore lost or missing contacts in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open the phone app. Now here, go to the contacts tab and click on this three dot more icon. Now here click on recycle bin, and here you will find all your deleted or missing contacts. So just simply tap on this three dot more icon or edit, and then select the contact, and after selecting, to restore or recover the contact, tap on restore, and then that contact will be restored. So that's how you can restore or recover lost or missing contacts in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.